Now, let's talk about this. What is this? We only have 13% battery. Now this is high definition. Famous yogic. Say the famous yogic is cooking.
I am cooking peppers with rice and beef.
Now explain what we have here.
We have rice and beef. A little bit pre-cooked, but not entirely.
Okay, so then where is the sauce? The sauce is the magic ingredient here, the sauce. Can you share the recipe of the sauce? Okay, now this is what I'm gonna tell you. This is beef and rice. These are peppers, okay? This is how they are prepared. They can be red and green. The red are coming better. The greens are like, my suggestion is to have variety of colors, red, green, orange. Now here it is, famous yogic, the beautiful cooks, episode 700, like, now, once you do that, then you put them in here and then you boil them. For how long, famous yogic?
I don't know, a little bit over an hour on a very low heat.
Okay, that's the secret ingredient. Low heat.
1.5.
1.5 hour on a very low heat, all right?
Plus you have, they have like natural...
Oh, yeah. These cups, the cups, they have to go. We have to close them, that's right, fantastic. All right, they look so beautiful now. Oh, look at this, this is not the right cup, okay? You have to name them too. This is Jim, this is John, this is I, this is M. M stands for Maria, the famous Maria. Okay, here it is. Okay, Jim, John, Ivan, Maria. This is Sashula, this one is Sashula, this one is Dashula, and this one is Anya. Okay, we got them named. Excuse me, disgruntled person over there. She is not in herself, okay? Don't worry, she will come in herself. Now, here is the thing, okay? Oh, there is a heat here, a little heat, okay? Now, these are the leftovers. Now, so these guys, we take them here, and we... All right. Opa! Anya. This was Anya. Anya, why Anya is so small? She didn't grow up enough?
Yeah, because Anya is a little smaller than us.
Anya is a little smaller than us. This is, all right. This is Jim, John. Opa, Jim, John, Ivan, Maria Duran. This is a famous yogic. This one is Anya. This one is, this one is Dasik. This one is Anya. And this one is Sashula. Darla, what do you think about, tell me. Now, here it is. Darla, come over here. And you tell me, what do you think about the peppers with the thing? Okay, what do you think? All right? No?
She's not talkative either.
Say something. Do not stare just like a cat that... You are actually a cow, not a cat. Okay? It's a miniature cow. Hello? Darla, what's on your mind? Facebook? Do you have Facebook? If you don't have Facebook, why? Oh, there are some people outside. Right? Darla, say something, please. Don't keep the secrets in Facebook. Facebook is asking you all the time, what's on your mind? Right? Now, taste it. Yeah, smell it. Smell it. You know you have a good sense of smell. You want to talk? That's right. Okay, good approach. Almost there. Yes. Say it's good. It is good. Yes, that is success, okay? Do not leave the garbage on the floor, Darla. You have to clean after yourself. All right? Don't go over there. Don't pretend that we are working for you. We are not working for you anymore. You have to put some effort too. All right. This is Darla. We heard her opinion.
What did she say?
She said that it's good. She gives approval. All right? All right, here, take this thing, televise me. Now, this is a trick from my grandmother. You cannot open this with your own hands. I can do, but if you can, okay, this is what you do. Top, on a wooden surface, preferably like this. So you don't have to and then boom, open like a charm.
No,
Then-
no, no.
What do you
Give
mean
it
no?
to me.
Oh, give it to me, give it to me.
It's done.
All right, we have purified water. This water is life. Water is life. Drink more water, my friend. Oh, what do we have here? La Fortuna Brunello di Montia. Oh, it's empty?
Yeah, we need to get.
Okay, so now this is a secret ingredient. What is called this one thing? This one is called Newman's Own Newman's Roast. Okay. All right. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Now I think we need a bigger pot. All right. Okay, it's only 5 minutes in the vlog for the moment. The famous IOJIKS is the Beautiful Cook. Beautiful Cook, episode 700-734-705. Null. It's a nullified term from the community of developer, website developer, or like whatever they call automating engineers.
It's called now.
Null. Okay, null. Nullify your life. Put a big cross on your life and start a new life. Okay, you can start the new life by Jim, John, Ivan,
There's an
Maria
extra
Duran. Oh, there's always extra in life. There's always
I don't
extra.
get it.
You don't get it?
All of them have.
That's right. IOJIKS, show it to the world. Say, this is the mystery.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. There's no
one
mystery in
extra.
life. There's
okay.
Okay, can I eat that one? Maybe I just
It's clean.
now you're gonna hear the sound. The Beautiful Cooks always make sure they taste the ingredients before they even start cooking. So, you see that? That's a good bite. Purified, nullified water. Be water, my friend.
Okay, so then.
Okay, say something for the vlog. Battery is dying, please.
Battery, please don't die in our vlogs.
This is not a vlog. This is a cooking show. The cooking show. The Beautiful Cooks. Episode 700-34700 nullify.
Okay, it will be soon.
It will be soon eaten.
Beautiful, tasty dish,
Beautiful mouth.
and we can go swim.
Oh, we can go swim in the swimming pool?
And I will take
That
care of
sounds like a good opportunity. Okay, people, subscribe. Have a good day.